Hi, my name's Bernie. I just came to the seminar with Alex and Moxie, and it's such a great seminar. Like I picked up so many good tips. Saw a live pickup video as well, so that was great.
So what did you like most about Alex's pickup video?
Oh, like just about everything. Like just seeing a pickup artist live in action, seeing him pick up a girl. You know, it was really funny. He used some really good lines and very natural, and it's actually funny to watch. Like it was not only the girl laughed, but I think some of the guys laughed in the class, and it was just I picked up a lot of good tips. You know, how to you see the body language, and you see how he talked, his tonality. It's just great. I really recommend it to new starters as well as experienced.
Great.
Class, yeah.
And do you see yourself being able to do something similar to what Alex did in the future? Do you think?
Yeah, for sure. I think this weekend, I'll maybe give it a few weeks, and I think it's a matter of practice. Just practice every week, and just get consistent. Like I said, perfect practice makes perfect. So I think it definitely is possible for anyone, any age, any race. Like it doesn't matter. It's possible for anyone. Yeah.
Great. Thanks, Bernie.